everyone, Peggy Nebriaga, AAA State of Play Sales Manager here, and I'm having a little picnic on one of our picnic tables outside of our office. We're pumped for National Picnic Day on April 23rd. How pumped? So pumped, how about a free table just like this? Here's how you can cash in. Buy one AAA Sun Setting Structure, get a free $1,500 picnic table, repeat as often as you like until April 28th, no limit. We're calling this special promotion Picnic Day, and it's basically us giving you an extra $1,500 each time. Plus, you can stack our 3 major perks until April 30th. You can get 5-day shipping or $250 if we're late. $1,000 pro install, or if you're a DIYer, you get $500 off. And free shipping in the continental United States. Don't miss out. Call 877-826-2776 or visit AAAstateofplay.com. Mention Picnic Day and lock in your $1,500 table. Let's celebrate National Picnic Day and our picnic table offer. The ants and the bees are not included.